Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide photos in Infinix Hot 40 Pro device. So for this, all you guys have to do is just go to gallery and select any photo which you want to hide. Okay, I am selecting this one. After that, as you see, we have three dot option. Just click here. On the third, we have hide option. So just click hide and then click here. So as you see, the photo is now hide. All you guys have to do is, if you want to access the hide photo, all you guys have to do just write X hide here and then draw the pattern which you already set. After that, as you see, we have picture here, so click here and then this is a photo which I hide. And if you want to unhide this photo, as you see, we have option of unhide here, so just click it and then click on unhide, so that the picture is now again unhide. And let me show you. Just go to AI gallery and see, this is a photo which I hide already and again unhide it. So this is how we can hide photos in Infinix Hot 40 Pro device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.